Okay, so this is a quick video. I wanted to show you guys just some of the Metro 2 coding errors, violations, and questionable things that I found on this just one account, okay? So here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this sit here. I'm not even gonna say too much on this video, just so you can see. Just wanted to let you see some discrepancies here. We have some good stuff here, and this is not a dispute letter. This is just me showing you some markings off on a actual credit report. So I'm gonna create a dispute letter to dispute all these things individually. Where you see the numbers here, these are base segment character field codes for Metro 2. All of these codes here for the payment history is under the account status base segment character field 17A. So just even under that one base segment character field, we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 discrepancies and violations, no 11. So we're doing really good here just with that one field. So imagine what kind of deletions we're going to get if we execute the dispute processing plan right. Okay, so with this account, what I plan to do with all of these late pays, since this is a closed charge off, what I'm gonna do is isolate these disputes. I will not dispute all of these late payments on one dispute letter. What I'm gonna do is dispute them on 4 different dispute letters. So the 30 days are gonna be on one dispute letter, the 60 days are gonna be on the next, and so forth. And we're gonna call out those discrepancies. And also here where it says term length, that's basically the number of months that the person was supposed to be paying on this account. It's still supposed to be here. So this is a missing field that is required. So that's a big violation there. And so I'm definitely going to call them in on that. In the letter, I'm going to put in some specific verbiage that'll probably be highlighted concerning this CDIA violation. And because Equifax is inconsistently reporting, here under account type, you see, I want to question that. So I put the Metro 2 code here because this is something that I'm going to question. I'm going to put some question marks beside it. And I'm going to say, can you please validate this field? Okay. And here with Equifax, I'm going to dispute it as that this code, this field is missing, but it is required. So you are in violation of the CDIA standards there. And also creditor type, I'm going to challenge them to verify the accuracy. And it caught my attention because, of course, like usual, it's inconsistent across the board. So we want to challenge that. So on some credit reports, you may see where this may say portfolio type instead of creditor type. I want you to know that it's the same thing. Like if it's a credit card or an installment loan, things of that nature. Also date open, that's a big one. And the dates open are always usually inconsistent with the credit bureaus. So you don't know which one is what. So we want to question that, call it a CDIA violation, error, questionable, you name it. Like you can think of your own like dispute reasons for it. But when it comes to making your dispute letter, be very specific about the code that you're putting in, know what it means so that you can elaborate to them correctly. They're gonna know that you know what you're talking about, okay? And so that's just it. And this is just like a really quick, rough draft of something that I would do before I go in and start to come up with strategy and create dispute letters. You have to go through each account to see, okay, what's in violation, what's not. And you know what? I'm thinking I'm gonna do a video this week on the Fair Credit Reporting Act violations too, something similar to this, so I can just kind of give you a visual of what I do and how I go through things to see what exactly I'm going to dispute. Now, sometimes I may dispute all of this stuff in its entirety, and sometimes I may dispute some of the main things and then hold back, in case I need to pull something else out of my bag on a later dispute, in case everything doesn't just, get corrected or fall off during the process. So that's that, guys. I just wanted to just share that with you. I thought that would be really cool and informational to show you guys some more in-depth Metro 2 coding. And so Of course, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm always happy to answer. And until the next video, we'll talk soon.